Hello, good job. We are almost there. Let's click on the Experience button to see if our computer is compatible with this software. While we are at it, let's also check and see the version of our software. It's always good to have the latest version. Awesome, it seems that our computer is compatible and our software is up to date. And now it's time to activate our software. So there are three options: Learn, Compete, and Experience. We're going to click on Learn. First steps, there's a workshop and iCool. Intermediate, there's also workshop and iCool. Advanced, workshop and iCool. So for this example, we're going to use first steps. All right, we're going to click on Workshop Pack 1. The activation window has just popped out. So please make sure you're connected to the internet and input your account number as well as your serial code, which is also your license number. So these will be given to you via email, so please make sure to check your email. And also please make sure when you put in your serial code, there are no spaces in the front and at the back, because the serial code is case sensitive. And if you're having trouble with the software, you should right-click on the icon and click the Run as Administrator option.